Hello everyone, and welcome to another one of our how-to videos. Today, we'll be talking about how to manage objectives with the OKR methodology in GFoundry. But first of all, let's talk about what is the OKR methodology. OKR stands for Objective Key Results, and they are defined as inspiring and ambitious objectives in such a way that they excite people to change and leave their comfort zone. They are measurable because of their link to the key results. They are related with the objectives, so it's easier to measure their outcomes and accomplishments. They should be communicated to the whole organization, so everyone should be aware of them and they should be acknowledged by everyone. Let's take a look to the OKR module. On this first page, we have the objectives overview, divided by quarters and by the objectives they are for the whole year. We have the specific percentages for each of the objectives, and each one of the objectives have tickets that identify the status of each one of these objectives. Let's create a new objective. When we create an objective, first of all, we can identify what is the parent objective. In this case, we will choose this one, the one that is for the whole year. We can choose a specific objective time frame. In this case, I can create one for the second quarter. We can give it a title. So in this case, it can be develop a new feature. Perfect. We can also give some context. And we can identify an objective leader. So we can choose someone that will be leading this objective. We can choose someone in specific, and we can create the objective. Perfect. After we create the objective, we can add the key results that are part of this objective. Let's add a key result. By adding a key result, we also have to fill some information. First of all, we need a key result title. We can also provide some additional context. We can also have the key result leader, which might be different from the objective leader, and we can choose how we can measure this key result. In this case, we will choose a percentage of conclusion, but it could be numerical, it could be monetary, or it can be binary, by achieved or not achieved. With the percentage, we can choose the initial values and the target values. This can also be chosen when we are talking about the monetary ones and the numerical ones. In this case, let's choose between 0 and 100%. Additionally, we can add contributors and users that are related with this specific key result. Perfect. Now we have a key result for this objective. Another amazing feature from this objective key results module is that in each one of the key results, we can add initiatives. Initiatives are work that don't directly affect the key result progress, but they support in some way. While we are reaching the end of the first quarter, let's update some of the key results. Let's look at the objective improve our social media presence. We have all of these key results. And let's update the followers on LinkedIn. If we click here, we can give an update. Let's say that we increase to 1800. We can set the label if it is on track, if it needs attention, or if it is off track. In this case, let's keep it on track. And we can add a note. Perfect. Now the key result is updated. Also, the percentage of conclusion of the objective is also updated. Another amazing detail from this key results management is related with history. If we take a look, we can actually control the history of updates from this key result. So we can have an overview of how this key result evolved throughout the quarter. In this case, it keeps record from all the updates on this specific key result with the comments and updates. Amazing, right? Also, since it's very important to keep updates on the objectives and key results throughout the year, it is possible to have weekly check-ins. So you can have an overlook of the objectives they are finishing in this specific quarter or in this specific year, so you can keep your team updating all of the objectives and key results that are allocated to them. This is OKR management made simple. You can update directly the key results, so you don't need to go and check which one of them are allocated to you. You can have an overview of your pending check-ins in order for you to actually update them whenever it's possible. You will also receive notifications, so you always remember to update these objectives and key results. Don't forget that you can also use our mobile app to manage all your objectives. You also have a page where you have access to all of the statistics related with your objectives. Not only related by the status, but also related with the overall progress. Don't forget that you can also apply filters by the time frame that you want to check. We hope this video was helpful and hope to see you in the next how-to video.